Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's me, Lauren, and today I will teach you how to use the text proper function in Excel. In Excel, the proper function converts the first character to the uppercase and rest in the lowercase. The proper function in Excel is used to convert your input text to the proper case. For example, we can use it to capitalize each word in a given string. So today, I'll show you the demonstration so that it is easy for you to turn a typo text into a proper text. Come on, and let's hop in! As you can see here, guys, we have a plenty of different text that has a lowercase, a uppercase, and a mix of those two, like this Ria Emerald. We have those texts, and today I will show you how to turn those texts into a proper text. So, all you need to do is to enter the formula function that we will need to use, which is the equals proper. And then, as you can see, there are no other parameter that we need to use, but the only parameter that we only need to use is the cell that we wanted to turn into a proper text. So that cell is the cell A3, so we will gonna enter the cell A3 and then click. And there you go. As you can see, the letter L, that a lowercase letter L in this cell becomes into a proper text in the second cell. So let's move on to the cell A4. The cell A4 contains the word The Walking Dead. So again, as the function that I will gonna teach you today, the proper function, let's turn it to a proper text. So all you need to do again is to type the formula of the function that we're gonna use, the proper, and then the cell that we will gonna turn to a proper text, which is the A4. So and then enter, and then there you go, guys, The Walking Dead. As you can see, it actually changes the first letter of each word as a proper text. Sorry. Teacher Lauren, what if the words that I wanted to turn into a proper text are all in capital letters or are all in uppercase? Well, that is not a problem, lady. That is not a problem. So, even though it's all lowercase or all uppercase, in a proper function or a proper formula function that we will use, it will actually turn it into a proper text, even if it's all capital letters or in a small letters or in a letters that are in lowercase. So still the same, enter the function that we will need to use, which is the proper function, and then the cell that we wanted to transform. So that would be a cell A5, and then enter, and then there you go. It actually changes the other words into a lower cases, and then the first letter of each word turns into a uppercase, which is actually a proper text. So as we read this, it is already a proper text. From a all upper cases turns into a proper text. So how about this? How about mixed of both upper and lower cases? Well, as I mentioned earlier, that is not a problem. To show you guys that it is not a problem, I will once again enter the function that we will use so that you can see that it actually works even if it's both mixed in upper and lower. So wait a minute, and oh, sorry for that. And then the A6, and then next. So as here you go, guys, from this text becomes into a proper text. How about this? Teacher Lauren, how about the word has a special character? Then I will show you guys what will happen if the text has this. So still the same process. A7 and then enter. And guys, it actually changes this up lowercase, this a lowercase letter. It actually changes into uppercase. Why? It is because this character is not a letter. So now let's move on to the cell A8. So how about this, Teacher Lauren? It looks complicated, Teacher Lauren. How can a function transform it into a proper function? Well, let's see. A8, then enter. Here you go. As I told you earlier that this one, the hyphen, this symbol here, a hyphen, is not a letter. So the letter that next to it, or the letter that is next to it here, becomes a uppercase. And then this 4432 is not also a letters. So as we can see here, it actually, this lowercase letter, it actually transformed to the uppercase letter because this 4432 character is not a letter. Reminder. So guys, this proper function has a disadvantage. Just like this, if we enter the function proper into this kind of sentence, it actually converts the lowercase s into a uppercase s. So I want you to watch on that and or observe that because it might ruin your spreadsheet. So there you go, guys. This is all about the proper function. This is Teacher Lauren, and I'm thankful that you watched this tutorial. I hope that you learned something today. If you wanted to explore the Excel, or you wanted to watch more tutorials about Excel or in the Excel, you may as well as subscribe and hit the bell button in our YouTube channel and visit our website. That's all. Thank you and have a great day.